Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning. This is me again, Johnski Vlog, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today guys, isa na naman po tayong another YouTube tutorial video. So dito po malalaman natin gaano po ba ka-importante si YouTube Analytics. Or pwede rin nating makita dito anong oras or what time do our audience normally is online watching our videos. So let's start. So first po guys, punta muna tayo dun sa ating YouTube Analytics dashboard. Dito nyo kita ilan na ba yung subscriber nyo, magkano na ba yung kinita nyo. And next po, punta, ayan, sa may channel dashboard. So next naman po is yung analytics. So dito po sa ating YouTube Analytics, lagi kong tinitignan yung audience. So dun sa audience guys, makikita natin yung kulay violet and kulay light blue na graph. Whereas yung kulay violet is how many are your recurring viewers, and the light blue is how many are the new viewers or newcomers dun sa mga vlogs na ina-upload nyo. Next naman po guys, bandang ibaba nito, makikita natin yung anong oras ba normally si viewers or what is most of the time available yung inyong mga audience to watch your vlogs. Ayan, ito guys. So, makikita natin when your viewers are on YouTube. So, makikita nyo dyan guys, merong medyo light, sobrang light violet bars. Kita nyo rin dyan guys kung ano ba yung mga channels na pinapanood ng mga audience nyo din. So, maybe nagtataka kayo, but most of the time, my premieres is around 6 o'clock or 6:45. Well, technically, just because I'm using and I'm checking or utilizing my YouTube Analytics. Whereas makikita nyo naman guys, between 6 o'clock to 6 or 7 o'clock, doon yung palo ng audience ng aking mga vlogs sa channel ko. Kita rin din natin dito guys yung top geographies, age and gender ng mga nanonood sa inyo, ilang porsyento ba yung viewers mo sa Pinas, sa Saudi Arabia, sa United States, sa Japan, sa Brazil. Ayan, kitang-kita natin dyan guys. Kung ilang porsyento ng iyong mga viewers is coming from different countries. So, this only also proves na hindi lang taga Pinas yung nanonood sa'yo. Other countries is also watching your vlogs. So, you can also check how many of or like percentage ng iyong mga subscribers or non-subscribers is watching your videos. Sa akin, 6 to 8% of my viewers is coming from my subscribers, while as 32% is non-subscribers. And also, the age and gender, 72% approximately for female and 24% for the male. Also with age range din. Kita rin dyan guys. So kita nyo rin ilang edad or how old ba yung normally nanonood sa inyong mga YouTube channels. Same thing as makita nyo rin kung ano yung normal na pinapanood ng inyong mga viewers. Saan sila pwedeng galing or saan most of the time sila tumatambay. So, parang makikita nyo dyan, sino yung mga common audience namin as vloggers. So, ito naman pong sunod is yung reach tab. So, kita nyo dito, saan galing yung traffic, saan galing yung resource, ilang percent yung click-through rate, ilang na kano kadami yung views impressions. So, kita nyo dyan, galing external, YouTube search, browse search, features, suggested, others. And then, makita nyo rin dyan, guys, saan galing link yung inyong or saan nila nakikita yung mga vlogs nyo. So, akin, most of the time, 44% galing from YouTube. Google search 3%, Facebook Messenger 3%, and 1% for Yahoo search. So, dun nila most of the time nakikita yung aking mga vlogs. And you can also search or check what are the top YouTube search terms that your audience is using to see you or kung paano kanila nakilala sa iyong channel. So, yan. So, ganyan po kadali or ganyan po ka importante kung ano ba talaga si YouTube Analytics. So dito at least malalaman mo na kung ilang taon ba yung mga normally na nanonood sa channel mo. Dito makikita mo na rin kung ilang porsyento ba yung nagiging interesado doon sa mga unboxing vlogs mo, cooking vlogs, reaction videos, or gaming reviews. So, dyan pa lang guys, matitimbang nyo na kung saan yung mga niche or topics na gusto nyong i-focus. Ako talaga, ang channel ko ay focus on cooking, unboxing, reaction videos, plants, gaming, at iba pa. Sobrang dami guys. So that's it for tonight. Thank you so much again for watching my YouTube channel. Please do consider to subscribe. Have a good day. Goodbye.